Today, we'll show you how to print colorful holographic 3D labels with the 6090 UV printer. Let's see how it's done. In Photoshop, create a white background to help the printer recognize the image. Check the white spot color. Save the file. Next, create the 3D text effect. Select the area where you want the raised text to appear. Create a new spot color channel. Select the entire image to make the spot color for the varnish. Save the file in PDF format. Open the RIP software. Add the prepared image file. Open the file with the white background. Adjust the image orientation. Select the corresponding ink channel and click Send. Open the color varnish image file. Adjust the orientation. Click Send. Open the printer control software. In Color Control, select Only White. In Ink Setting, adjust the ink amount. Set the starting print position. In Color Bar Setting, set it to the right position. Save the settings. Open the image file. Ready to go. Click Start Printing to complete high-quality, colorful, holographic 3D labels. The 6090 UV Fault Bed printer brings your creativity to colorful holographic 3D labels with ease.